Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Wait up, hold up. Oof. All right. So, real quick TA on GameStop. I'm not gonna take too long because there's really only two things that I think can happen. We either break this resistance or a relative high of 255, and you keep running to the upside, and you're gonna go fill the gap at right here. There's a gap at 290. It got made like way back when, so it can definitely run to fill that gap at 290 sometime this week. But the main catalyst for that is it breaking this basically this relative high of 255. So if we see GameStop touch 256 or so this week, I can definitely see it keep running. But keep in mind, right now you do have GameStop as a runner, right? And I can definitely see after a 255 break, I can see maybe some resistance at 266, and then possibly more resistance at 283 with the possible wick to 290 and then dropping all the way back down. But again, everything looks pretty bullish on GameStop, so I would not be surprised to see that wick, to see the 290 gap get filled sometime this week or next week. But again, the major catalyst, you got to break 255. So you got to touch 256 sometime this week. And if you break that, possible resistance at 266, possible resistance at 283, and then maybe you throw a wick at 290 to fill that gap. But if you do close like a full 4-hour, possibly day candle above 283, a full bullish candle, mind you, right? Not a bear candle, a blue candle. This little blue candle right here is bullish, right? So if you close a full bullish candle right here, I think there's like a 99% chance you go to 345. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.